Match 8 in 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, we're in the Ascent portion of the match and teams are off. It looks like Vortex is staying stationary for the Ascent, but the Talons are working on those specimens. RoboForce also lining up those specimens. They're going for a third one right there. They've dropped it, but they've still got 2 on there. And Hyperion is working on those high baskets. Alright, we're now in the Tele portion of the match with Blue in the lead, 175 to 35. Let's see if Red can make a comeback from that lead. Tech Talons working on those specimens while Vortex looks to be attacking those net zone area. They've got 3 in the net zone, but none in their baskets, while Hyperion on the blue side is really filling up that high basket. All the while, RoboForce on the blue side is lining up those specimens. They've got 4 on that high chamber right now. And blue is in the lead, 201 to 55, with still over a minute left in the match. RoboForce is just lining up those specimens. We're on 12-8, and I haven't seen a single team do a specimen on that lower chamber. And Hyperion is still filling up that basket on the blue side. Looks like Vortex is struggling a bit to get those drop-offs, but they're working on it. It looks like Talons has gone over to the high basket and got one. All right.